closely. Now from there, let's shift our focus to more developments as security seems to be heightened ahead of the big visit put in place in Jammu and Kashmir's Reasi ahead of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit today. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is scheduled to inaugurate two specially designed Vande Bharat Express trains connecting Srinagar and Katra. The high-profile event marks the completion of the ambitious Udhampur-Srinagar-Baramulla rail line project. Ajay Jandyal is joining me with more updates. It's a big day, Ajay, especially after Operation Sindoor. This is the mega event, first of the many mega events that are taking place in Jammu and Kashmir and is graced by the presence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. As the big rail project inauguration is concerned, what are the arrangements, how exactly big the scale of the event is going to be, and how many spectators are also going to join, as this is also in fact going to take the attention of the world, which it happens in Jammu and Kashmir?
See, certainly, it's a time when the nation is eyeing on Jammu and Kashmir because the world's highest railway bridge is going to be inaugurated by none other than Prime Minister of our country, and you can see that there are three major projects. One is that he's going to, flag off the train for Kashmir, and this is the Chenab River Bridge, which is the highest, railway bridge, and that is 35 meter, larger than the Eiffel Tower. You can see that this is a Anji cable stayed bridge, and number of tunnels have been constructed by the railway engineers to ensure that the journey of the people, those who will come to Jammu and Kashmir, that is going to be very safe and peaceful. Other than that, I will try to show you that what authorities have done here. You can see that this is the Katra railway station where number of people have been deployed, and this is totally decorated with the tricolor, flower and other things can be seen over here, and this shows that how nation definitely is going to see here this major railway project. I'll ask my camera person to come here and also show you that how things have been decorated, and also how security measures are put in place by the authorities over here to ensure that people's safety. I'll speak to the yatris as well, passengers, those who are coming to the Katra railway station for their journey. Earlier, they were not aware that this is going to happen because it was delayed number of times, but this time this is going to happen, and Prime Minister is going to inaugurate this railway project. I will speak to the yatris as well as the students here, because students of different schools, they are also joining Prime Minister Narendra Modi in this inauguration ceremony. We'll speak to the students as well. You can see that they are coming in the queue and they are moving forward. Let's speak to the students over here. कितना अच्छा लग रहा है प्राइम मिनिस्टर से मिलने वाले?
हम बहुत एक्साइटेड है अपने प्राइम मिनिस्टर से मिलने के लिए।
अच्छा, अब तो ये बताइए, आप कटरा में ही रहते हैं, पहले कश्मीर नहीं जा सकते थे ट्रेन से, अब जा पाएंगे?
जी बिल्कुल जा पाएंगे।
तो कैसा लग रहा है ये?
हमें बहुत खुशी है।
Let's speak to some other students as well, that what they have to say. आप लोग भी प्राइम मिनिस्टर से मिलेंगे?
हाँ जी।
क्या कहेंगे प्राइम मिनिस्टर से, शुक्रिया करेंगे उनका?
यस सर।
Let's speak to the teachers as well, मैम। कितना बड़ा मौका है स्टूडेंट्स के लिए जो यहाँ आ रहे हैं?
सर ये बहुत ही इनके लिए बहुत ही अच्छी बात है, मौका इनको मतलब फर्स्ट टाइम हुआ है, मतलब स्टूडेंट के साथ जो है हमारे पीएम इंटरेक्ट होंगे, और ये बहुत ही अच्छी बात है टीचर्स के लिए भी। हम भी बहुत एक्साइटेड है कल से कि हमें टीचर्स को भी मतलब मिलने का मौका मिलेगा पीएम से।
अब यहाँ कटरा रहते हैं, तो यहाँ से कश्मीर पहले जाते थे, कैसे जा पाते थे, अब क्या होने वाला है?
अब ये है कि पीएम मोदी यहाँ से ट्रेन, पहले तो ऐसी गाड़ी खुद से पर्सनल गाड़ी करनी पड़ती थी, या अब तो यहाँ से ट्रेन जा रही है। ये बहुत ही अच्छी बात है और खुशी की बात है।
So you can see that the students, those who basically are coming, and they are going to join Prime Minister Narendra Modi as well, and this is basically we can say that make a connect between the people and the Prime Ministers over here, and this is the long queue of the students moving, and I will try to show you this is the entrance of the Katra railway station. Katra railway station is among the railway stations which are very clean and give a feel over here, because passengers and pilgrims, those who comes to the Jammu and Kashmir, they comes to for offering prayers at Mata Vaishno Devi shrine. And when it comes to the peace and the environment, this is the best ever what we even are feeling over here. And definitely adequate security measures are put in place over here from Katra to the Kashmir rail link, and it is to ensure that that things goes peaceful. And Prime Minister, after going to inaugurate this project, the trains from Katra to Kashmir and Kashmir to rest of the country that will start.